Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsaiheirloom, and I have in front of me two Zelkova varieties of 4 Zelkova tree. That's our next drop that will be shipped, so you should think about ordering them. Basically, these are the two sizes, the smaller one and the bigger one. But nonetheless, I want to tell you a little bit about why we offer Zelkova. First of Zelkova is a wonderful, vigorously growing, hardy material. So occasionally, if you've forgotten to water a day or two, they should be fine, although I don't encourage it. And we implemented in Bonsaiheirloom, our tagline is bonsai uncompromised. We implemented really well with the right soil mix and the patent pending pot to make it more compatible with lifestyle bonsai so that keeping them maintenance is really easy. First of all, we are offering this now because our bonsai trees are maturing nicely. We have them growing in our nursery, in our growing ground in Pescadero for quite a number of years now. Look at the size of the trunk. Not bragging, but I think you will not find bonsai trees of this quality and this size anywhere, and the implementation for sure. Beautiful how the tender new growth coming out, that's reddish tint, very quickly you turn green. But as you prune it, side branches will shoot out very quickly within a matter of like 4 to 6 weeks. And if you let it grow for another month or two, it'll be like this for you to shape again. So in fact, I'm at a quandary, which I hope you will provide me feedback. Should I send trees that's somewhat pruned and less pruned and less pruned so that you will have the pleasure of prune it to your liking very quickly and for you to cut it to your liking. And one other thing about Zelkova is that it shapes very naturally. One very standard bonsai you will find, design you will find in bonsai books is the so-called the broom style. Basically, you have a tree, a stick, and then it comes out like this, like a broom, which is really easy to do. Just keep clipping it, like do a haircut each time, a little bit taller each time. Pretty soon you have a very nice thick trunk broom style. And then cut off any branch that's going the wrong direction. You want everything to be radially out. You will have a marvelous show quality broom style Zelkova. To show you how to do the broom style, in fact, both can be trimmed for broom style. Well, let me leave this kind of a full for you to trim, to go in a box, kind of nice. I just trim off a little bit. And when we ship it in a couple of months, it'll be quite full again, right? And then for this one, I would do a little bit more. And again, it would fill up a stance as this. So there are variations. So like I said, if I want this broom style tree to be this tall, then I cut it maybe an inch lower, cut off 1 inch basically, like a haircut. Really easy. No wiring, no training, nothing. It's a lifestyle, American busy lifestyle. You just want to have a relaxing hobby, not to stress out with rules and all that. So you make that, you cut it back, and like this is way too long, cut it back. You basically have the outline of a broom of about the right height that you want it. And let the nature take over. The tree will grow out to fill out the right way as pertained by lighting and so forth. And again, you keep pruning it after 3 or 4 pruning in a year, or 2 for that matter, you will have a very nice bonsai. Now, like this tree, you can say, I don't really want to be too formal bonsai, a little round ball, but I'd rather have this as an apex round, and I cut off this, and I cut off this. So when it's done, you will have a tree like this and a tree like that. So it's not perfectly hemispherical, but then more of a natural tree. So whatever bonsai you get from us, whatever you get that we ship to you, you know, you can change any shape you want, but the fundamentals are always done right. Look at how nice the roots are. Look at how nicely the roots are spread out. And they will only thicken with age to make it a show quality bonsai. That's one of the requirements. So again, bonsai uncompromised. And you'll be pleased that you get a tree from us that will become your masterpiece, your showpiece in a few years as you work at it. And it's your tree, your design. But we get you a very good head start. Now let me talk about these two. Like this, again, I'll probably change into a smaller pot, although this is not too bad. Again, there's a little bit of untidiness, but I would say this could be a round tree, more or less a broom style, or two with one, and then a lower second branch. So just for the heck of it, I'm not even going to worry about one or two branches, but let me just trim it to approximate shape and then let it fill out naturally to look like a natural tree of the shape that you had in mind. Nature will take care of itself. That's the beauty about Zelkova and many of our bonsai material that we pick. Like this tree, I'd rather have it, this is the apex, I would rather have the apex a little bit lower. So I will cut off some quite drastically. So when you got the tree, you're the master. You own it. You can make it do whatever you like. So this tree will fill out quite a bit in 2 months, which is when we ship. You will have, the trees will be much fuller, and you'll be happy when you get it, and you get the pleasure of pruning it the way you like it soon. Like this one, we just put it in from a growing pot into a bonsai pot a month or two ago. And so it was how it was throughout the winter. So let me just cut back the high growth and fairly unpruned to give you the pleasure of pruning the rest of it. You don't need to prune the rough pruning that I'm doing now. But the fine detail tuning, I let you have the pleasure of doing it to make your personalized bonsai very quickly. So give me some feedback. You rather like me to do a little fine pruning or no pruning at all for you to work on? Because again, you can make no mistake, just cut to your delight until you get it right. So now, again, this tree doesn't look right yet, but after you prune it a little while, it will become a really good quality show bonsai. Look at how thick the trunk is. And the beauty of a Zelkova is that it will increase ramification very quickly. The leaves will get smaller, the trunk will get thicker very quickly, and it has a very interesting pattern, whitish, with a little bit of modeling. So I thank you very much for watching, and I see you next week.